Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, LazzzySundaze. If it's the first time you're visiting my channel, welcome. My name is Tiffany. Recently, I've been shopping a lot. My guilty pleasure. So if you guys cannot tell, this video is going to be about my haul. I recently got a lot of stuff from ASOS. This is actually the first time I ever get anything from ASOS. I check out their website constantly, but I just never click that checkout button. I believe they still have the sale right now, but when I was on it, they have this up to 70% off. So it's a huge sale, and I was like, well, I gotta get on that. And I really like ASOS website because they have like categories like ASOS Petite, ASOS Tall, or ASOS Maternity. They have categories for each and every type of woman out there, which is awesome. Since ASOS is like a retail website, they don't actually have a store anywhere, so you actually just have to buy stuff online and then you try to try out at home. I'm gonna share with you guys my experience and also what I got. Funny story, I bought 4 pairs of shoes in size 7. They all came in size 8. And then I double checked my receipt. I say size 7, so I don't know what happened. Just to let you guys know that, because that's part of my experience. I was a little upset because I was really excited to try out new shoes. So the first thing I got is this pink dress with green stripes on it. It reminds me of a Free People dress, like really bohemian or like really roughly, like really loose. And I really like the fact that there's like a cutout at the back. It just looks really like summery and stuff like that. It's just a really cute summer dress. I will say though, I wish I did like order something that's a little bit tighter or smaller. I feel like this is a little bit too loose on me, but at the same time, I really like that style right now. So next, I have this romper. I love this romper. It's just so simple. I love the simple design, or as you say, what's the word for it? Minimalist. I love the neckline. It's like a deep V, front and back. The colors are kind of like olive green, kind of like, you know, like earth tone. And then it's a romper with huge pockets in the front. I love it. I love pockets, if you know me. And I love the fact that it's in the front pockets. It's a cool design, but also very useful. The neckline is a little big, but I think anyone can pull it off. You can wear this like a V-neck, or you can wear it as like an off-shoulder, or you can just layer with something else inside. It will look so good. I just really like this kind of style. Next, I'm very excited to share with you guys this one because I think this is so cool. Yeah, I got this jumpsuit. This is so limey, I know. So bright. I almost feel like I'm blinding myself right now. But this jumpsuit is so cute. Once you try it on, you will love it forever. If I'm walking on the street and late at night, I will definitely wear this just so people can see me, so I won't get crashed by cars. This jumpsuit is actually really versatile. There's like a strap over here. You can tie it around your neck, or you can just tie it around here and then make it like a 2B jumpsuit. A really versatile jumpsuit. I love it. It's perfect length for my height, which is 5'2", and there's a little holder just to kind of show off your stomach. And I just really like the ruffles and the colors, even though, you know, my head might be hurting after a while after I wear this. But the only thing I wish they have for this jumpsuit, I would love it even more, is if they have pockets. I love jumpsuit with pockets, because like, you know, like once I put it down, like my fingers put it around my thigh, and then I was like, oh, there's no pocket? What? So that's the only downside of this jumpsuits, unfortunately, but I really like it. I'm gonna rock this. So next, I have this shirt. Really cool shirt, right? Yeah. This is a really cool off-shoulder or like one-side shoulder shirt. I don't really own anything like that, like a, you know, one sleeve kind of shirt that goes this way. So I decided to try it out, and I actually really like it. It's like more like a crop top kind of. I love polka dots recently, so I've been getting a lot of things that are polka dotty. I love them, so cute. And I like the fact that they're mixing prints like this, big polka dots with smaller ones, and with ruffles, you can beat that. It's awesome. So next, I have this dress. I've been on dresses craze right now. I've been loving dresses, which is weird. I never wear dresses before. I barely wear dresses, let's just say that. But I guess I should, you know, get out of my comfort zone and actually have a blog post on this. me wearing more dresses if you want to check it out. I will link it down below, and also I'll put a card there just because, you know, why not? So I have this dress from ASOS Petite. The first thing I thought when I saw this was the neckline looks so cute. It's so beautiful, so that's why I decided to get it. You can wear these two straps at the neckline, or you can do it off shoulder. I think it's really cute. I also really like the design. It kind of has that embroidery with some holes in it. It's really easy breezy kind of dress, even though it's not that flowy. I will say though, this dress is a little bit shorter than I expected, even though it does cover my butt, but I feel like I will wish it could be a little bit longer. Last but not least, for my clothes. Actually, I really like all the clothes I got. I think overall, I'm pretty good picking out my size, I guess, for clothes. I have this dress, polka dots dress. There's a lot of things going on in this dress that I love. There's ruffles, the prints, polka dots, different kind of polka dots, lace, and then just like a very irregular. It fits me surprisingly really well. I kind of just wish though, either I'm a little bit taller or this dress is a little short on the longest side. The longest side is like kind of dragging on the floor, but I really like it, so I'm not going to return it. When I'm wearing this, I have to wear really high heels. So I feel like you can definitely wear this to a wedding. Hopefully people don't mind that you're kind of wearing like white, but you're not really wearing white. So that's it for clothes. I love them all. They're just so nice. I feel like I will love their shoes as well, but it just did not fit me. But I feel like I'm gonna buy it again next time and just make sure the size are correct, or make sure they make the size correct. Like, what happened? I don't understand. Maybe there's a miscommunication between like a US size and UK size. I don't know. But yeah, they got my size all wrong. Okay, move on to accessories, because you know me with my accessories. I love them. By the way, do you like my earrings right now? Yeah, I'm about to change those earrings. So I bought 3 pairs of earrings from ASOS. I haven't tried them on yet, so I'm gonna try it out in front of you guys. Very exciting, I know. I like big earrings, so don't judge me, okay? Look at this. This is so big. Actually, I did not realize how big it is. This is hilarious. This is one of the earrings. It's huge. I have problems with huge earrings. I love them. So if you guys cannot tell, but I think that's a little bit compared to this is nothing. So but I'm gonna try it out in front of you guys. I'm gonna take out my earrings right now. Is my screen big enough for you to even see this? Oh wow, this is so cool. I think I'm like wearing a piece of art on my ears right now. The second one I got, I think this is so cute. I really like this acrylic kind of look right now. This is so cute. I might just wear this tonight. Oh wait. I like how this is kind of like holographic. There's different colors coming out once you know, just flip it through. The last one I have is this. This is another piece of art that I got. It's so big. I feel like when I was checking on the website, it was not as big. Oh, I really like it. This thing looks like a map, like California or something. I have a state on my ear. But yeah, it's cute. But yeah, I'm not gonna return any of these. I think they're so cool. I think they're definitely statement earrings, 100% or 120%. That's it, guys. This is my haul. I hope you guys like it, enjoy it. Overall, I think I spent $300, but I did return some of the stuff, aka my shoes. And if you guys want to see how I style any of these, follow me on my Instagram. It's LazzzySundaze, same name as this channel, so you guys won't miss it. And shout out to my mom for filming for me all this try-on clothes and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, she's awesome. She came to visit me and that's all we did, and I feel kind of bad. Sorry mom, but love you. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys like this kind of movie, if you guys like this video, please do give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe down below to LazzzySundaze, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!